Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and with today's video, I'm going to be doing another case review for my Samsung Galaxy S21. So as you can tell, this is from Otterbox. It's the Commuter Series case for the S21. Now I've already done a video of the black version of this case, which you can follow the card up above, but this is their Bespoke Way Blue color, which is kind of a mixture of royal blue and navy, kind of leaning more towards royal blue colors, but you'll get to be the judge of that here in a sec. Now, Otterbox was kind enough to send this case to me for my unbiased opinion and review, so big thank you for Otterbox for sending this to me. Now, this case is going to run anywhere from $35 to $39 depending on where you buy it. If you go to otterbox.com, you're going to spend around $39 or so. And if you follow my Amazon affiliate link down in the description, it's going to range anywhere from $35 to $37 roughly. That's kind of, just depends on if there's any promo codes or anything like that at the time. And of course, they do make this for the S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra. So I will link all of the S21 lineups in the description. So as far as the unboxing experience goes, it's pretty simple. The box looks pretty identical to all the other Otterbox boxes. So you have the Otterbox logo here, Commuter Series there. It is Drop Plus 3 times tested to military standards, so it is a very good case for drops. It is got a lasting antimicrobial protection on it, so it's going to help inhibit the growth of bacterial growth. It is made with more than 35% of recycled plastics, if you care about that. 5G compatible, give back program, all that good stuff. Flip it over and you got a little bit more of the reiteration of the Drop Plus. Wireless charging compatibility, which we will test here in a sec. Pocket-friendly design, secure grip, dual layer protection, a little bit more about their give back program, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and get this out. So literally just kind of pull this tab up and pull the case out. So as far as the case goes, here it is, but let's go ahead and focus on the interior real quick. So it does have this really cool kind of triangular or cube-like shape interior here. It is very cushiony, very rubbery feeling, feels very good in the hand. You have that little hard plastic portion there, which is the hard outer shell, which it is a dual layer case, which I'll show you here in a sec. Drop Plus branding there. And then of course you can see kind of the reinforced bumpers and whatnot. So all this is going to do is just give you more added protection if you do drop your device, and it's going to just help prevent hopefully a shattered phone. Now, like I did mention, it is a dual layer case, which you can literally just kind of pop it apart right here. And that's it. So you have this hard outer shell, and then you have this more rubbery TPU material that encases your phone. Now, you do not need to take it apart to install it, but I always just pointed out that you are getting dual layer protection. When you do pop it back on, you do want to make sure that that flap is not exactly covering up, so that way when you do install it properly, it's not blocking you or anything like that when you're trying to snap this back together, because then you can just pop that back right there. So let's go ahead and grab my Phantom Gray S21 and just slap it in here real quick, and there we go. So there is the Bespoke Way Blue on the Phantom Gray S21. So as you can see, like it said, it is a pocket-friendly design. So it is this hard outer shell. It is anti-fingerprint, is anti-smudge, very easy in and out of your pocket, so you will not get it bunched up in your pocket. You do have this really nice camera bump cut out here, which is my personal favorite when it comes to the Otterbox camera bump cutouts, because with, say for example, like some of their, like the Symmetry case, I believe, it's got a more of a chunkier cutout, and I do like this a lot better, where it does give you a good look of the camera bump, and then it does have this little extra cutout for the flash. And obviously you do see that it is recessed in there nicely, so you do get some bumps around the lenses to help protect it from bumps and bruises and scratches on tables. Now let's go ahead and do the wobble test and just kind of lay it flat here. And it is not shaking at all, so it is very flat as far as the back goes. Now you do get these little extra little rubbery grips here on the back too that will help like that kind of anti-slipping around on your tables. It does act very grippy. As you can see there are these ridges there. So very nice material. Now let's go ahead and take a peek at the sides here. So as you can see there, you kind of get that two-tone look that I was talking about. So you do see a lot of the royal blue, and then it is kind of like a royal navy-ish kind of color. So you can see that two-tone effect there. You do have a really nice raised power button and volume up and down buttons that are engulfed with that extra kind of grippy material that goes kind of around them there. And then going down to the bottom here, you can see that you got a nice generous cutout here for your speaker grill. And when the flap is closed, you do see that the cutout is there for your microphone. And if you want to open it up, literally just pull it down, and now you have access to your USB-C port as well. And if you don't want to use it, you just cover it up. And this little flap helps protect it from getting, you know, lint and gunk and stuff in your port there. And then on the side here, you can see that that extra grip pattern is there once again. So when you are holding it, it does definitely give you a nice sense of security with that grippy material. And then at the top, you do have two square cutouts for the microphones up top. Now, as far as the front goes, as you can see here, you got this really bright, vibrant blue just staring at you. And I really like the way it looks up against the phone screen, especially when it's on the always on display or when I turn it on. I think it just complements the wallpaper very much as well because it is a darker theme. Now you can see the cutout here for the speaker grill up top isn't super chunky or, you know, just blinding as far as like just ugly. Very minimal, looks very good. So definitely I like the look there. You do get some nice raised lips around the whole entire front of the screen. It is a little bit more elevated on the forehead and chin of the phone. But once again, the whole entire screen is completely protected. It is screen protector friendly as well. So I do know that for a fact that if you have a screen protector, if it's a liquid skin or whatever, you should be just fine. Now let's go ahead and do the shake test for the front. And once again, there is no wobble or shake at all for the front. So it is a very flat, flat case, even though you do see that little ridge there. But like I said, those little ridges on the forehead and chin are what the forehead, and as you can see there, the forehead and chin is actually what is helping keeping it from shaking so much, since it is, those are the main 2 points of contact on the table. Now let's go ahead and do my clicky button test. So let's see how clicky these buttons are here. So let's start with the power button first. Volume up and down. So very clicky, very responsive. So if you like clicky buttons, this case has them. So next, let's go ahead and do the wireless charging test and see how this performs with my Qi wireless charger. So got my charger here, so let's go ahead and slap it on. And instantly it recognizes that it is on a Qi wireless charger. So with it being a dual layer case, you are still getting Qi wireless charging compatibility with this case, like it says on the box. All right, guys, and so for the last test, we're gonna do a wireless power sharing test and see if this will wirelessly charge my Google Pixel 4 here. So let me go ahead and place my Pixel on the back. And as you can see there with that new Android 12 beta animation, the ripple effect there, it does let you know that it is wirelessly charging. So let's do that one more time. And there it is. So it is definitely wirelessly charging my device with this case on. So for the money, guys, if you are a fan of Otterbox cases, this is definitely a case to look at, because I really personally like this really vibrant, loud blue. Normally I'm more of a fan of black cases, but there is something to be said about every now and then switching up the color and actually having a case that looks a little bit different. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you loved it, please hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. I really appreciate it. I try to post videos at least once a week. So keep on coming back for more, guys. So be safe out there. God bless, and I will see you on the next one.